In a little village nestled beside a whispering forest, lived a curious girl named Lila. Lila loved nothing more than exploring the sun-dappled woods near her cozy home. Every day was a new adventure, filled with secrets waiting to be discovered. One sunny morning, as birds sang their sweet melodies, Lila spotted a big, bright blue butterfly fluttering through the air. Mesmerized, she chased after it deeper and deeper into the woods. The trees whispered secrets as she ran. The trees grew taller, and golden lights twinkled between the leaves, guiding Lila to a place she had never seen before. It was a secret meadow, hidden from the world, filled with magic and wonder. To her astonishment, Lila found a family of talking rabbits. Barnaby, the wisest of them all, greeted her with a gentle nod and a warm, welcoming smile. They invited her to join them. The rabbits offered Lila tiny cups of sweet berry tea, served on acorn-capped saucers. They shared stories and laughter, making Lila feel like she had found a new family. It was a delightful party. Barnaby told Lila about a special wishing stone they protected, hidden deep within the meadow. Only someone with a kind heart could help keep it safe from harm. Lila promised to protect the stone with all her might. Her heart swelled with a sense of responsibility and love for her new friends. She would not let them down. They played games in the meadow, sang songs under the trees, and laughed until their bellies ached. Lila felt happier than she had ever felt before. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, it was time for Lila to go home. She hugged each of her new friends goodbye. Before she left, Barnaby gave Lila a shiny little stone as a gift of friendship, a reminder of their magical day. She held it close to her heart. Lila ran home, guided by the golden lights that danced through the forest. She couldn't wait to tell her parents about her amazing adventure. She clutched the stone tightly. That night, as Lila slept soundly, a greedy eagle swooped down, trying to steal the stone. But, poof! A magical rabbit appeared to defend Lila. With a flick of his paw, the magical rabbit turned the greedy eagle into a gentle bunny. Lila's parents thought the bunny had just wandered in from the forest. Lila hugged her stone tightly, knowing she had made friends for life. She often went back to the magical meadow for more happy adventures. And so, Lila and her friends lived happily ever after, protecting the wishing stone and sharing their kindness with the world.